Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the Novilla mattress has arrived. It's pretty impressive that a 14-inch memory foam mattress literally can tuck into a ball like that. Absolutely incredible. So be very careful how you roll this out. Don't use a knife, don't use scissors. You don't want to pierce it. So we're going to go ahead and tear the opening. We're going to go ahead and roll it out according to the directions. It does want you to let it sit flat for 72 hours, but really? So it's morning time right now. I got about 13 hours before bed. Typically they inflate very quickly. If you have the time, you could put it in another room, but if this is your bed, you probably are going to sleep on it the same night. So that's why I'm here with you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and tear this open. We're going to go ahead and inflate this. We're going to sleep on it. Now, as you get this saran wrap off, not saran wrap, but plastic off, it will start to, seep in some air. Laid out flat. I like the Novilla logo. I'm going to show you that over here. And just as we get into this video, I'm going to go ahead and rip this open here. But as we get into the video, just like all my videos, top link in the description box below the video as well as the pinned comment will have this exact same 14-inch Novilla mattress by the company. I have another one of their mattresses I'm going to be putting in my spare bedroom, and you guys can read more about it there, but definitely watch the whole video first because we are going to sleep on this and then give you our review. So let's go ahead and crack this open and it will inflate very quickly afterwards. Alrighty, looking good. Within minutes, it's almost there, to be honest with you. Slight corner over here needs to lift up a little bit more, but we have our Novilla logo right down here. Bottom left, looking really, really sharp. The corners do need to kind of straighten up a little bit. You can kind of bounce it around a little bit. I might actually kind of try to form it a little bit. I mean, it's literally only been like less than 5 minutes. Looking beautiful. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is fresh sheet night. I'm doing all my sheets. I'm going to wash them all, put fresh linens on it. If you have a new mattress, please don't put old, dirty linens back on. Wash them, freshen them up, and get yourself a beautiful night's sleep. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the mattress. Now, I've been using it for, I think we're going on closer to pushing to 2 weeks. And so I definitely have a feel for it. So it took a few days to break in for my personal preference. Mattress I came from, it was too soft. So I went from a Tempur-Pedic, their firmest Tempur-Pedic, which was too firm for me. Then I went to a soft hybrid, which was too soft, which was giving me pressure points because I'm a side sleeper. And I felt just pressure points in my areas of my body. You guys get the idea, especially if it's a hot summer day, morning, you get the idea you're not in air conditioning. This is a medium firm for sure. So immediately as I came off, I tucked into bed and I was like, okay, this is softer than the Tempur-Pedic firm, but obviously more firmer than the soft one. Because I'm a side sleeper, I work out, and let me just go ahead and get on in bed right here. So very comfortable, but it's going to be able to give you the support you need if you are a back sleeper or side sleeper. Now, if you're a stomach sleeper, I'm not sure if a medium firm is up your alley or not. Definitely do your own research. But according to AI, the research that I've done, a side sleeper, and I actually sometimes tuck my hands. I'm trying to do some better stretches before bed, but since I work out pretty intense, and I'm a side sleeper, obviously the right pillow definitely does help as well, but my hands go numb sometimes. They fall asleep because I'm pinching the nerves in my shoulders and I'm doing nerve glides and wrist stretches and stuff like that to be able to help that and just bring a little bit more room within my arms for my nerves. They're called nerve glides. So typically what they say is to sleep on your side and then like hug a body pillow so your spine is aligned, and then there's obviously manufactured pillows to keep your neck in proportion to your spine, etc. Anyway, this mattress definitely feels a lot better on my body than those two, which is behind the camera. Again, the research I did, medium firm is what side sleepers need, especially those like myself that, again, sometimes I'll find myself waking up, my shoulders completely tucked, my hands underneath my head is on top of my hand, and definitely do your research because I did my research as well. When I switched off of the firm, they say if your mattress is too firm, you can actually like wake up tired, not refreshed. Your pressure points in your hips, maybe your shoulder, maybe your arms. And what I mean by pressure points is, again, as I'm laying and sleeping on my side, I'm putting a lot of pressure on my hip. I got it on my leg down here. I got it on my side, my back up here. And if your neck is not aligned properly, you can have some issues while sleeping. But overall, I've enjoyed the bed. Again, it's definitely medium firm. So don't purchase this thinking it's going to be like super plush and soft. This is more of a sit down, get into bed, and this is comfortable, but this is also going to give me the support that I need, if that makes sense. You could always, if it's too firm, you could always get a topper. You could look at their other as well for more of a medium plush, if that's more your style. But overall, for my sleep style, my body, I like the mattress. And once again, this is my second mattress by Novilla. The other one is in storage, waiting for my guest bedroom to be finished in my house remodel. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same mattress. They offer it in a king as well. I do like the height of the 14 inches. Raised my bed up a little bit with the Tempur-Pedic. It was too low. This is just beautiful. My sheets and everything fit over the 14-inch mattress just perfectly. And I slept on it that same night. I did let it air out probably after breakfast and then went to bed about maybe 11:30 at night. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos and more. Once again, your link is in the top link of the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. My name's Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.